Today we are representing a role play on Alexander Fleming, the accidental discovery. Most welcome to Fleming's laboratory in the year 1928 and we are in London.
I have to hurry up. I have to go on a vacation.
Alexander Fleming left to vacation without cleaning his laboratory. It's a warm September morning in 1928 in a small lab in St. Mary's Hospital, London. Dr. Alexander Fleming returns from vacation.
Oh no, I forgot to clean up before I left. Let me check those petri dishes.
Sir, is everything alright?
Look at that, look at this dish. The staphylococcus bacteria are growing everywhere except around the mold.
That's so good. The mold is killing the bacteria.
Exactly. Something from the mold is stopping the bacteria.
This could be revolutionary.
What Fleming found was a mold called Penicillium notatum. It was producing a substance that killed harmful bacteria.
I will name it as penicillin.
I didn't invent penicillin. The nature did. I only discovered it. But this could save millions of lives from deadly bacterial infection.
Though it took years before penicillin was used widely, Fleming's discovery marked the beginning of the antibiotic era. It changed medicine forever.
Remember, sometimes big discoveries come from small accidents if we are curious enough to notice.
Thank you, Dr. Fleming, for saving the world. Alexander Fleming was awarded Nobel Prize in the year 1945 in medicine. Fleming's discovery of penicillin was a turning point in modern medicine. Scientific curiosity and observation can lead to life-saving discoveries. Antibiotics should be used wisely. Misuse can lead to resistance. Let me ask a question. What precautions should be necessary while taking antibiotics? Antibiotics should be taken by the doctor's prescriptions. These should be taken in unfixed amount. Thank you and have a nice day. We hope that you all liked it.